So on handling migration errors and corrections, things don't go always as planned. As we saw, there are ways to correct them by using correction files. Like we discussed a bit earlier, this file contains the instances in the staging tables that failed to migrate. You can then adjust the data in the correction file, re-upload, re-migrate those instances. To do this, you go to Migration Object Instances screen, create the correction file, follow the prompts to fix and re-upload the data. This way you can resolve any migration issues without having to start over from scratch. Before we wrap up, let's talk about optimizing the performance of your data migration via job management. You can improve migration performance by adjusting the number of data transfer jobs. By default, only one job is used, but if you're dealing with a large amounts of data or complex migration objects, increasing the number of jobs can significantly reduce the migration time. You can tweak these settings on the migration object. So migration object details screen, you can increase the number of data transfer jobs if you're seeing slow transfer times, or if your migration object has multiple staging tables. Then parallelization. Another tip for speeding up your migration is to parallelize the XML file loads. This can be particularly useful when migrating large datasets. These performance optimizations can make a big difference in how quickly and how efficiently your migration completes, so it might be worth not overlooking them. After migrating your data, there are a few final steps to ensure everything is in tip-top shape. Review migration results. Start by reviewing the migration results to ensure all data has been transferred correctly and that there are no lingering issues. Then post-migration tools. SAP provides a range of tools to help you manage and optimize your data post-migration. Tools like SAP Data Services and SAP HANA Studio are invaluable for ongoing data management. These final checks are essential for ensuring your new SAP S/4HANA system runs smoothly right from the start.